Okay, welcome. I've got something really special lined up for you guys today. Joel Lindsay from the band Tan Odyssey and my nephew, Kanaye, are warming up right now, and they're getting ready to put on a bench concert for us. What's a bench concert? Well, just a fun way to demonstrate something I repaired on my bench by having some musicians perform with it from that very same bench. And today, they'll be playing live through this 1971 KR-6170 receiver. Kenwood called it the Jumbo because it had so many features. And you can see videos 1 through 4 of this series for the unboxing, repairs, and other demos. I'll leave a link in the description to those videos, as well as some information about where you can learn more about today's performers. So some of the Kenwood's many features are the included microphone, guitar inputs, spring reverb, and a drum machine, and all of which will be used during the performances. And for the speakers, the KR-6170 will be driving a pair of Cambridge Soundworks Model Sixes. I think our musicians are ready. Today, our opening act is Kanaye. Take it away, Kanaye. Awesome. Perfect. Oh my God, that was good, dude. Ladies and gentlemen, Joel Lindsay from the band Tan Odyssey.
Falling through the cracks, sidewalk takes me back. Cold air warms my blood. good to you. Sure good to you. Sure good to you. Sure good to you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so first we had on electric guitar, we had my nephew, Kanaye. Kanaye, thank you so much. What was the song that you sang?
I sang a song called Atlas by Keshi.
Excellent. And how long have you been singing and playing guitar?
I've been playing guitar for about 7 months now, and probably singing for only like 2.
Wow. Pretty impressive, right? Fantastic. This is from a pro, thinks that's impressive. And my pro friend here this is my friend Joel Lindsay, and tell me a little bit about the song you sang.
It's a song that I wrote probably, gosh, time flies, might be 5 years ago.
Wow.
And have never really gotten around to recording it. And like I was telling you, and we played it out some and gotten a good reaction. And I really enjoy playing it.
This is the first time we're all hearing it, and I can't get it out of my head right now. So we really enjoyed it.
Cool.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
No, so is this you said you were recording an album now, and this is going to be part of it, or?
Well, we're just recording some songs, stuff that has been kicking around for a while, and it's kind of like recording is really hard. Recording is really hard, and then you kind of say, well, why am I doing this? Just nobody's ever gonna hear.
Yeah, it's kind of like my YouTube videos, folks. Sometimes, yeah. But you're a lot more talented than I am, so yeah, you deserve it. So we can't say that was the world premiere of Shortcut to You.
It's the premiere on any kind of YouTube thing, that's for sure. So.
You heard it here. World premiere of Shortcut to You by Joel Lindsay. Thanks, everyone.
I can't believe it has a drum machine.
Listen to this.
It's not great.
It's awesome. But the Latin ones are the best.
Okay.
There you go, Joel. You're on. See? Oh my God, you are such a pro. You made that shitty drum machine sound so good. Alright, we can turn that out. Hey, we got to demonstrate it at least,
Now you
right?
have a clip for that drum machine.
Thanks for humoring me, Joel. That was awesome. It is cool. Looking for a shiny new gadget for your bench? Some good books on electronics, vintage hi-fi, or old radios? Indispensable tools, cleaners, or other products? Check out my new Amazon shop and help the channel. Lots of great products I actually own, use, and recommend, plus my thoughts on each one. Link in the description. To stay updated, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell to receive notifications when I release new videos. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you soon.